Okay guys, ever wanted a bold, gradient-styled newsletter footer with a proper logo showcase built right in? Building this level of styling from scratch would honestly take hours. Well, this section has it all handled for you. Today we're adding this newsletter section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link, this takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for this section. You'll find it here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it. Then choose Collection from the results. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's start with the newsletter content. Add a heading, and right below that, you can add a subheading too. In the input placeholder field, add something like an email placeholder and update the button text as well. Now let's move on to the colors. Here you can update the section background color and background gradient color. Next up is styling and shadows. Adjust these settings and add a shadow color based on your own preference. You can also change the layout system and adjust the spacing settings for both desktop and mobile. Right below that, there's a margin setting too, and further down, a full typography section you can customize. There's really a lot packed into this one section. There's also an icon system setting you can adjust. Now let's move on to the collection. Add your logo, and right below each logo, you can add a link too. I'll go ahead and add all the logos this way, one by one. Once you're happy with everything, just hit save and the section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.